Hello, this is Joyce. Welcome to King Machine channel. Today I'm going to introduce you about our combi block. So what is the difference between this machine with the other combi block? So look at here. So this machine we can produce different type of shapes of bottles. And if you are looking carefully, that this bottle is carbonated drink bottle. And this bottle, it is the juice bottle. And here, the rest of 5 bottles is a water bottle. So how can these machines produce so many different kinds of bottles in the same time? So let me give you the highlights. Here I have 2 points to show you. The first one, how we select the different formulas for bottles. So when our engineer designed the machines, we have already programmed the different bottle parameter setting. So look at here. When our engineer designed the bottle and also testing the bottles, our engineer already programming the parameters for different bottles inside the PLC. So look at here. So we have the formulas you can select. So here have the 8 types of bottles, and we can have the, you look at here, all these bottles are produced from the blowing machine. And change the mode is also very easy. Let's have a look.
The mode assembling is simple and can be replaced in the shortest time of 75 seconds for each cavity. We can easily reduce the production downtime and improve the production efficiency. The bottle blowing modes made by the special aluminum iron, and the surface is treated with the special oxidation. We can give a shot of the inside of the mold. So the service life of the mold is long, this reducing the production cost very much.
Okay, this combi block composed with the blowing machine and the filling machine. So just now I have introduced you about the blowing machine. So how about the filling machine? Because you know that in my hand there's a water bottle, carbonated drink bottle, and the juice bottle. So for this 3 type of products, we have the different filling technology. So let's look at the filling part, how we can produce this type of the products. Okay, now I'm at the back side of the filling machine. So look at here. This filling machine is composed with the flow meter and the filling valve. And the flow meter, it is for the accuracy to controlling the filling level inside the bottle. And it is very intelligent. So once you adjust from the touch screen, the exactly volume of the liquid will fill inside the bottle. So the brand is the Chrome from German. And also our filling valve, we have the pattern, our own pattern. So this filling valve, we can fill in the juice, like the carbonated drink, and like the water. So this filling system, we have the reflux system, and also we have the isobaric system. So just the shift is just 1 click in the touch screen. It's so simple. It's very incredible, right? Because different type of products like the water, juice, and carbonated drink, all these type of products can produce from the same combi block machine. So if your space is not enough, if your budget is very limited, if you want to have a different type of products, let the market choose. And if you are not sure which product is more popular in your market, so choose our machine. It's definitely a good idea for your investment. And contact with me, and welcome to be at King Machine. Thank you.